Okie dokes. Are you ready for the vlog? Ladies and gentlemen, we are heading to Yosemite. Oh crap, my fly is open. Welcome back to the channel, fellas. This is like the 10th time I'm recording this video. My cameras keep dying, my audio stops working, my light keeps dying. But anyways, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna talk about snow, and if I have DM'd you the link to this video, hey, consider subscribing. It's not that difficult. Go on.
We're hitting so many bumps.
Making for a busy 2 years for
Vegas to see the boom. This hour's code word is...
I flew to the US of A for Christmas 2 months ago. I know this video is extremely late, but it happened 2 months ago. And I was thinking to myself, you know what, I'm going to a country that has snow and I'm going during Christmas, so I should probably try and find said snow. But it wasn't like a bucket list kind of thing. It was a nice to have. If I find snow, hey, you know, that's a bonus. Heading to Yosemite. I said that like 10 times now. We are en route to take some crazy pictures. Hopefully we'll find some good sights.
Get a bucket shot.
Get a bucket shot, as Peter McKinnon would say.
So we will stare at views we can't believe we found. We'll feel alive. You're still my favorite.
I wasn't prepared to spend like heaps of money on searching for it, you know. It wasn't that much of a big deal for me, and it didn't help that I'm not an outdoorsy kind of guy. I would go outdoors just to take a picture, and I wanted to go see snow so that I could, you know, snap a really nice picture of me in the snow. But it wasn't a big deal. I wasn't going to spend a lot of money on it, and I had a threshold for about $200. I wasn't going to go anything beyond that. The plan was to hire like a cheap car, like a Mini Cooper or something like that, and just drive 200 miles away from San Francisco, which is where I was staying. But it turns out that you can't just do that. You need to find a four-wheel drive car, and once you get a four-wheel drive car, they're relatively newer models, which means the mileage allowance on these cars for a day is a lot less, so you end up paying a lot more money. And I was going past this threshold, so I was very reluctant. So I decided, okay, you know what, maybe I should just can the whole pursuit of snow. But my wise cousin, as wise as she is, kept nudging me towards the fact that, you know, I should, and that I should spend on, you know, this. It's an experience that I need to spend money on that, and not spend money on stuff. Now that's an age-old saying that we all know, and I'm pretty sure I've regurgitated it to other people as if, you know, I've felt this, or it's something that I do myself. But to be honest, those words, as much as I agree with it, I don't resonate with it, so I still was reluctant. But my nephew and I, we found a car. We decided, you know what, let's just pack up and just make the drive, see what we find. So the destination was Yosemite National Park. Now, I know I'm saying it with a bit of an accent. I'm from Asia, I'm Sri Lankan. All my Sri Lankan friends know that I'm saying it with an accent, because it's kind of hard to say without the damn accent. It sounds weird.
Stare at views we can't believe we found. We'll feel alive.
You can't even look at the road.
Nothing there, there's nothing beyond this.
Look at this. Look.
Oh my god, I'm like driving into a wall of
There's literally...
trees.
There's nothing. You can't see anything. Crazy.
Let's slow down a bit. When you're driving for that long, for 4, 5, 6 hours at a time, you notice the terrain like change. You go from flatlands to farmlands to hilly areas to areas covered in windmills. It was something that I was not ready for or had never experienced before, was just driving in to a white wall of fog. It was the most surreal thing that I've ever experienced. And I wasn't necessarily driving slow. It was like about 60 or 70 to maybe even 80 miles an hour. And I was I couldn't see anything apart from a couple of feet ahead of me, and then I would see all these, you know, like massive 18-wheelers just pop out of nowhere, and then like roads joining in from the side. It was a pretty crazy experience, and it was pretty cold. So like my nephew and I, we were pretty excited. Okay, it's getting cold, we're definitely going to see snow. I'm dying. It is so freaking cold in here. Oh, guys, there's so much fog. So cold. It's so cold. It's so cold. I got stuck in the washroom thingy.
Why? How?
Gentlemen, we have an update. The fog has cleared.
The fog has cleared.
Might be foggy, might be hazy, I don't know. It's cleared out right now, and we can finally see something other than just a white wall of haze. What happened to the music? But many miles later, we get closer to Yosemite. Note the accent. We get close to Yosemite, and it's getting warmer, and it's getting greener. These are not good signs when you wanna find snow. You want it to be cold, and you want it to be brown and like white, maybe hints of white here and there. That's what you want to see. But it was warm, and there was greens, and there was trees. We have stopped close to where do we know where we are?
Mariposa.
We need a pee, and we can't find a place.
Let's drive off again. Let us where we fall. Once know what's right, my friend. Let's ride through the night. Let's ride through the night. We'll keep on going.
I thought Sri Lanka was a beautiful place. It is, but like then Yosemite was a beautiful place on a different league. Like there were two different. Getting back on the road. We're almost at Yosemite. Yosemite, I don't know, potato.
Your life has just begun. We need to live and learn. You know the time has come for breaking some new ground. I'll let you try.
Right now is to find snow. We just got into Yosemite. Pretty crazy. It was a brilliant drive. The roads were amazing. Pretty excited.
Let us where we fall. Once know what's right, my friend. Let's ride through the night. Let's ride through the night. We'll keep on going into the sun.
Okay, that boy is slightly crazy. I don't know how he does it. So we were getting a little worried, so we, can ask the park ranger where would we go if you wanted to find snow, and they and this guy told us that we should drive north. So we pulled out a map, obviously Google Maps, because you wouldn't catch me dead reading like a paper map, and we set route towards the northern part of the park, and then we drove.
You're still my favorite queen of the night.
So my cousin told me that I need layers when I'm going to Yosemite. I was like, nah, I'll maybe I won't need any layers, but I'm about to find out. Oh my god, it's cold. It's cold. I can see. Came out to find snow. I see a little bit of it. We hit another area where it's kind of brown, and there's this very light or very thin layer of snow that had fallen, and I thought to myself, okay, you know what, this is it. This is all I'm gonna see. There's not going to be anything more than that. So we stopped, took a few pictures, and I was content. I saw snow. Gentlemen, going to be touching snow for the first time. And it's almost snow. This is snow, right, Callum?
What?
This is snow, right?
Yeah.
We're planning to find more snow, but there we go.
It's not very good snow.
It's not. There you go. What are you doing, Calvin Brown?
Taking a picture.
Can't believe we found we'll feel alive. You're still my favorite queen of the night, my friend. Let's drive off again. Let's drive off again.
But we just wanted to keep driving north anyway, so we climbed and climbed and climbed, and then all of a sudden the greens turned into yellows, into orange, into browns, and then it was just white on either side of the road.
You're still my favorite.
And we found it. We found snow. So we started the trip. The whole point was to see snow. Unfortunately, we had to drive quite a bit, and I almost didn't make the trip because I thought it cost a little too much. Then it's snow. It's snow! Ah! Okay, let's get out. Let's get out. Can't even remember how to switch the car off. So my cousins and my nephew told me that I need layers. I was like, I can manage. How cold can it actually get? Oh yeah, sure. So I was like, you know, I wear a t-shirt. And they were right. I need layers. I can't walk snow in my Jordans, right? Where have I got hat hair? Okay, I have to pee as well. You cold? Pretty cold. You were right, Malini Aki. I needed layers.
Tired hands, one for the letdowns.
Snow, snow, snow. Look, that's a fence. That is a fence. That's what a bench looks like. It's covered in snow. I'm literally walking like, it's probably like about 4 or 5. What? Just look at that. This is crazy. I can't believe I was this close to not coming. Ah!
Again, let's drive off again.
Oh my god, I can
touch
feel it. I can feel how cold it is.
Yeah, it's cold, eh?
Oh. Okay. Snow for the first time ever. Oh, it's so cold.
Yeah, it's
It's so cold. Oh.
One for the tired hands, one for the letdowns. All thanks to this old town. One for the shattered plans. You know the time has come for breaking some new ground. I'll let you try.
I think my quest for snow is complete. Going back home. It's a long drive back. Okay. Which way is the car?
This way.
This is literally the prettiest place that I've ever been to. I was this close to not coming because I didn't think it was worth spending this much money and getting on the drive or making the drive here, but oh my god. I mean, look at this place.
You're still my favorite queen of the night, my friend. Let's drive off again.
Snow. Done. I need to see the Pope.
Public disclosed information.
Wait a minute. What are you planning on doing? Whoa! Ah! Oh, saved by my superior balance.
Breaking some new ground. So we will stare at views we can't believe we found.
My hands are frozen. My feet are frozen. My shoes probably. My shoes are probably need a good de-icing. I probably need a wash, but hey, what can you do, right? Okay, ducks. I'll see you guys. See you guys on the next one. It's actually not that cold. Oh no, I'm just kidding.
One for the letdowns, all thanks to this old town.